Hello everyone, welcome to Heat Tech. In today's tutorial video guys, I'm going to show you how you can set up your audio for live streaming and for your headphone same time using Elgato Chat Link Pro. I'm going to show you setup with Elgato 4K 60S Plus device and PlayStation 5 using a laptop connecting with your TV or monitor. So before we start the video, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now. I will bring you some more interesting tutorial video, so stay tuned to my channel. So let's start the video. So first of all, I'm going to show you I'm going to use a Elgato 4K 60S Plus game capture device. This one is a standalone capture device. You can connect with your laptop or you can plug in and capture your video gameplay inside the SD card. So let me show you. First of all, what we have to do is we have to connect the HDMI cable coming from PlayStation, and this is an in point in here, and the second HDMI out is going to the TV. So the pictures video coming from PlayStation is going through the video capture device and output going to the TV. So there's a two option for USB-C. There's a power cable input in here. If you like to record in SD card and you don't have a PC or laptop, you can record inside the SD card using just a power cable. And if you like to stream or you just like to record inside your laptop, you don't need a power cable. You just need a USB-C and connect with your laptop and it will activate the device in there. So let me connect the wires first and then we'll unbox the Chat Link Pro, and I will show you how you can use the Chat Link Pro to use the game voice right into the streaming. Because if you plug in your headphone inside the PlayStation 5 controller, you will not able to get the game audio into your streaming video. So you have to use the Chat Link Pro. To connect your headphone separately with the PlayStation controller, and same audio go to the capture card Elgato 4K 60S Plus. As you can see, there's a in point in here for a 3.5 mm jack. So we are going to use the Chat Link Pro to separate the audio so we can hear the game sound inside our headphone, and also we can get the sound inside the live streaming game as well. And so our game capture card has been set up, and this is a USB-C 3.1 is going to our laptop to record the gameplay right into the software. So guys, as you can see, our PlayStation screen is on our TV and same on our laptop Alienware X17. So as you can see, I'm using the 4K capture utility from Elgato. So as you can see, the sound is coming up in there from TV, and let me show you. When I'm using the headphone inside the controller, the voice gonna come into our headphone, but it will not go to the capture card. As you can see, I connected the Razer headset in there, so the sound is coming through the headset in there, but it's not going through our streaming program. As you can see, there's no sound in there. So what we have to do is we have to use Chat Link Pro to separate the audio. So let me show you that. So first of all, I'm going to open up this one. So it's just a simple packing inside. There's only one cable. So also there's some information how you can connect this one right inside the box. So let me take up the wire first and let me show you. So as the image shows in there, let me open up the wire first. So as you can see, there's a two prong in here. So this one going to our PlayStation controller, just like that one in here. And then we have a 3.5 mm jack, same like a controller. We can plug in our headphone in there. So the sound coming through the controller to our headset. And then what we have to do is we have to plug the other end of your cable inside your game capture card inside the in point. So as you can see, I have connected the headphone with the controller using the Chat Link Pro, and I connected 3.5 mm jack inside the game capture card, and I'll show you the still sound is not coming up our streaming program, but what we have to do, we have to change some setting in there. So go to the setting, and then as you see option there, audio input, you have to change that HDMI audio to analog audio, and when you apply and press OK, and now the sound coming through our streaming program as well. So we can capture the video from here, and we are getting also the sound inside our headphone through the PlayStation controller, and same audio going to the program in there. So guys, if you like my tutorial video of setting up the live streaming using a Chat Link Pro with a PlayStation 5 controller and Elgato 4K 60s Plus, please leave a like. If you haven't seen the unboxing video of 4K Elgato 4K 60s Plus, I will leave a link in description. You can check out that one in my YouTube channel as well. So subscribe for the future content and leave a like, and I will see you in next tech tutorial video. Thank you very much for watching.